Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the method to replace the Nissan iKey battery. First up, you'll be needing a small flathead screwdriver, and then next, the battery for replacement. A Nissan iKey typically uses the CR2025 battery, which is 2.5 mm in thickness and has a standard rated capacity of 160 mAh. However, I prefer to use the larger CR2032 battery, which has a thickness of 3.2 mm, so it's about 0.7 mm thicker than the standard battery. However, the capacity or the standard capacity, it is actually 225 milliampere hours, which is about 40% higher than the CR2025 standard battery that is being used. Now, why do I like to use a larger capacity battery? Is because my Nissan iKey is actually for the Nissan Serena, and I use the sliding door function a lot. So whenever I trigger the left or right sliding door, this particular function uses extra battery power. Hence, the battery drain is much faster as compared to a standard Nissan sedan iKey. Okay, for the battery replacement, first turn the key backwards. You see a latch here, so you push it outwards. Once you push it outwards, you can release the mechanical key. Next up, using the screwdriver, now you can see the slot here. Stick it in to pry it open. So once you have pried open, just simply use a fingernail to run along the slots to open up the rest of the casing. And now it splits into half. Now the battery is located here, so just using the screwdriver again, just gently pry the battery off. Now even if you are unsure what battery you're using, it's actually stated right here. It is a CR2025, so that is a standard battery. So for the battery replacement, make sure your hands are clean, yeah? Just push the battery back. Okay. Close the casing. I like to guide it at the rear end first. Okay, just press it back. Okay, and then put your mechanical key back, and you can actually test out the function. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you guys again. Bye bye.